Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of one of the most exciting innovations in the wireless world, the US Mobile's multi-network service. It's not just another phone plan and it's not just another MVNO. US Mobile is calling itself a super carrier, and for good reason. I'll be breaking down everything from the coverage and the features to pricing, pros and cons, and a detailed conclusion to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Here's the big idea. Most carriers rely on only just one network. If you're on Verizon, you're on Verizon. If you're on T-Mobile, you're on T-Mobile. That's it. But US Mobile flips the script. It offers access to 3 major networks in the US, all under one plan. Now, what truly makes this unique is their multi-network add-on, which lets you run more than one of these networks on the same device at the same time if you have a dual eSIM phone. This means that you can keep one network active and have another ready to go instantly. Are you stuck in an area where your main network is weak? Just switch to your backup with a quick tap. No waiting, no complicated setup. And best of all, you stay in control. The system doesn't just randomly switch networks for you. Now let us talk about the features of this multi-network. Simultaneous network access. If your phone supports dual eSIM, you can run 2 networks at once. That means you can have your primary line on one network and a backup line on another, ready to step in instantly if the one slows down or drops. Manual network switching. Unlike some carriers that auto-switch, US Mobile lets you choose when to switch. This gives you total control over your connectivity and is perfect for people who need reliable service in critical situations. Redundancy for dead zones. If one network can't reach you, the other probably can, and this is especially important for people who live in rural or mountainous regions where single carrier coverage can be hit or miss. Global roaming support. When you have multiple networks, you get more roaming agreements overseas, and this makes it easier to travel internationally without constantly swapping SIM cards or worrying about where your plan works. Extra phone number option is also available, unlimited data upgrades, priority data access, and as well as plan compatibility. Now let us talk about the pricing. There are eligible plans and data allotments. The unlimited premium add-on costs $10 per month, and if you want to pay annually, $7.5 per month. A combined usage of 100 gig is available. After this limit, all add-on lines will be slowed down, while the primary line will retain high-speed uncapped data. There's also the unlimited starter add-on at also $10 per month, and annually it will cost $7.5 per month, $90 in total. A combined usage of 70 gigabytes is available. There's the free trial add-on that gives you 30 gigabytes, and it is free trial as it says. Then the unlimited all add-on. The primary and multi-network add-on lines will have a combined usage of 35 gig available. Now, after that limit is crossed, all lines will be slowed down, but the primary line will retain high-speed data, which is up to 150 gigabytes. It costs $10 per month. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the US Mobile multi-network. The pros first. 3 major US networks in one plan, that's unmatched flexibility, better coverage in rural and dead zone areas, enhanced global roaming for travelers. How about the cons? Some special features may require extra fees. It requires a bit of tech familiarity to manage network switching. To wrap things up, US Mobile's multi-network service is more than just a clever gimmick. It's a real shift in how we think about mobile coverage. By combining 3 major networks into one plan, they've solved one of the biggest problems in wireless service, being stuck with a single carrier's limitation. So for people who value control, coverage, and peace of mind, this is easily one of the best mobile solutions in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mint Mobile, Visible, and Ultra Mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.